Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're here on Thursday, September 23rd. And the reason why I am showing you this little video is to show you what to do on today's assignment known as Interactive World Map number 6. So if you go to the Blue Knights tab, well, you're already there because you click this link right here. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into modules up top. Let me go to student view so you know exactly what it would look like. And here we go. You see modules. That's where all my assignments will be this year. So each module, right now we're in the Intro to History. The next module will be the Fall of Rome, and that'll be coming in the next week or so. So let's go ahead and click on number 6. That's the most current and recent assignment. And it reads, using the textbook, page A6, the front of the book, you will compare the textbook world map to compare it to your own interactive map and make sure they match. So meaning you're going to be labeling and locating locations and doing that. Go ahead and click on this assignment, interactive map. And as soon as you get that, make a copy. And remember, you need to submit it right away. So once you make that copy, go to the share button in the top right corner. Thinking, buffering. Here we go. And once we get to the share button, we're changing this link from anybody from LBUSD to anyone with the link. You click copy the link and you go back to Canvas. You paste it right here by clicking Control V, paste it right down there, and then down here at the bottom of the corner, there's a submit button, but I think I'm in the way. Sorry about that. Once you do that, confetti falls and you can start your assignment right here. Click done and get started. So the directions are really important. They're on the left. I have a lot of students saying, hey, I located and labeled places. What do I do now? So please make sure you read the directions. The first says locate and label all 7 continents. You may use the textbook. In the beginning of the textbook is page A6. What you would do is you'd locate Africa on the map in the textbook. You click on this until you see a plus sign with arrows. Once you do that, you could actually drag and you hold down on your mouse and drop on where Africa actually is. Now, if you make a mistake, go up to these arrow buttons in the top left corner. Where in the toolbar, you click that, and it will move it right back to where you had it. Now, that's when you make big mistakes. You're like, oh, my map looks terrible. What do I do? You always go back to that backwards arrow. All right, so step 1's the continents, the 7 continents that we should already know. And I know this is a review from what you already know, but I want to make sure that when we're discussing different locations, we know which continent it is, because I'm finding people don't know what continent we live in now. So that's why we're reviewing this. Continents are here for step 1. Step 2, locate and label all 5 oceans. And you may say, I thought there was only 4. They've added 1, so it's called the Southern Ocean. Alrighty, so that one's new to me as well. Number 3, locate and label where the equator is and insert the line. So let me get rid of my camera. Let me go ahead and move this. So the equator, as we know, goes left to right or east to west. You just have to look at the map and exactly where might it be. You go up to your toolbar, click line. Right up here in the toolbar, you'll see it says line. If I click somewhere on the map, you could actually try to draw a line. Oops, it moved my map, so I'm just going to go back to line. Click where you want to start it, and then you would maneuver it. So there's a lot of just trying to get the maneuvering correct with the use of your computer. So some people have a little bit of struggle with this. Don't worry, everybody does. You know, it looks pretty good right there. And you can even maneuver this. And remember, if you ever make a mistake, go back to the back arrow. Not only do we label where the equator is, we take the equator here and we put it somewhere along the line that doesn't go over another label. Number 4 is probably the most difficult, the prime meridian. Not many people know where it is, but just know that England is right here, and it does go north and south right there. And then for the rest of them, it just tells you where to put these shapes, and you would have to know where the hemispheres are. All right, let's see. If you wanted to look up any videos, you could do that. YouTube has some good videos. You could look up Brain Pop. Latitude and longitude would be a good video. And this would be due Friday by midnight. Good luck, folks. Email me if you have any problems.